Hey, my name is Kate and I'm a 2D artist at Don vs. Dodo. Today I'd like to welcome you to the first episode of our devlog series for our upcoming game Industry Giant 4.0. In this series we'll be giving you insights into the game's development, highlighting various features and systems of the game's development. In this episode we'll give you a brief overview over the town and city buildings in our game. Similar to the previous game, towns are a core element of the gameplay, with selling goods to the town buildings being the main source of income for the player. Small towns only demand basic goods, but if supplied well enough, they will grow over time and the buildings will level up, seeking a bigger variety of goods. Also, with time passing in the game world, new goods will be introduced, and the buildings will reflect this passing of time as well by getting a more modern look. The look and feel will change with newly built villas, apartment blocks, and eventually skyscrapers in huge cities. This generates a wider customer base with diverse demand, thus giving opportunity for your business to grow. Now let's take a closer look at the buildings with Romeo, who will go into more detail about the styling and look of the buildings.
Hi, I'm Romeo. I'm a senior 3D artist at Toplitz Dodo. Join me today to have a deeper look into the town buildings of Industry Giant 4.0. The game features a multitude of buildings varying in sizes and shapes, starting off at single-family homes, going over to bigger complexes and ending in skyscrapers. As the homes grow in size, the characteristics also change from a suburban, rural vibe to a more busy urban downtown feel. For example, single-family homes feature lawns, carports and terraces on their properties. In larger city buildings, however, more of the property is filled by the houses themselves and details such as parking spaces are moved underground. This automatically makes big cities appear more dense. As time progresses in a game, you will see the appearance of the buildings get more contemporary with each period. To create more variety in our cities, we set up our buildings in a way that they can change the materials of facade, roofs and walls based upon their position on the map. On top of that, we are currently working on a feature that allows us to spawn randomized decorations on a building's property. As example, a single-family style home could at one point have just a lawn and at another point playground elements and a slide in the backyard. All of those systems aim to create an interesting cityscape throughout the game, and we are excited to show you more in the future.
We hope you enjoyed this first episode of our devlog series, and we're looking forward to share more details about the game's development in the next episodes. If you want to keep up to date with the latest news about Industry Giant 4.0, follow us on social media and don't forget to wishlist the game on Steam. See you soon!